It's 6:52 money and we are ready to step out.
So bags are packed, energy is up,
Ready to hit the
ready to
road.
go.
Welcome back. Today we take you on a 2-night vacation, a perfect weekend plan that covers a white sandy beach, a fort located on an island, and a cruise trip. So, join us on the scenic getaway to one of the lesser known places of Maharashtra. Any guesses where we are heading to? Our first stop is to get the EV charged.
कैसे इसको ऐप डाउनलोड
App download कर लीजिए आप फिर static का.
Okay.
How long will it take to charge this?
This is a fast charger, so it should approximately take 30 minutes to get approximately 50% of battery back.
What is the current battery status like?
It's at 50%.
50%?
Yeah, so we just need about 20 minutes of charging. We will reach up to 80% and continue on to our journey.
Okay.
This charging station also had some homely breakfast options available. So while we wait for the EV to be charged, let's binge on some food.
What you doing, Samaira? Eating what?
Cashew.
What is this?
Cashew.
Cashew? No, this is chocos.
Down.
With our stomach and car both well charged, we proceed our journey to the land of white beaches. Welcome to Kashid.
Samaira.
Surrounded with tall coconut trees and made in red laterite stones, welcome to KBR, Kashid Boutique Resort.
Oh my pretty face. Hello. Beautiful.
Time for a quick room tour. We had lunch at the in-house restaurant by the poolside. We ordered a veg thali, a fish thali, and komdi vade. Reviews of the food is as follows. Okay, someone seems all excited here.
Go to where? Swimming pool. You like going to swimming pool? Okay, then we'll go.
While it was a rather small pool, the water was extremely clean and it also had a small kiddie pool on the side.
What you doing, Samaira? You're peeking? Okay, you're learning to swim. Wow.
After nearly 2 hours in the pool, a quick change and warm chai, it's time to head to our next stop.
So we are heading to Kashid Beach. And what are we going to see this money?
We're going to see a beautiful sunset on a white sandy beach.
With crystal clear water.
I can't say that for sure. But let's check it out.
So what is the color of the beach? Sumaya, what is the color? White beach. Oh my god, we'll see how that goes. She says it's white beach. Let's go and see if the beach is really white.
White, definitely white, and crystal clear water. Welcome to Kashid Beach. Time for some drone shots. After that amazing time in the water and relishing some snacks from the beach shack, it is time to end the day with the most beautiful sunset.
Okay, so we are heading back to our resort after a very nice beach day. How was it? Little one is exhausted already.
She has fallen asleep. Samira had a great time at the beach. She had so much fun playing in the water, in the sand. Oh my god, it was crazy.
Catch you tomorrow for another day of excitement and adventure.
Just when we thought our day has come to an end, someone is up and awake all again.
A lovely morning indeed.
It's day 2. After a quick breakfast, we have headed out to another exciting day full of adventures. Today we are off to explore a fort which is situated on an island in the Arabian Sea. Any guesses where we are?
How much for the parking?
80 rupees.
So we're heading to see the Murud Janjira Fort. And what is most important when you're out here is that you need to have a hat, you need to have sunscreen, and you need to dress light. Else you're going to feel so hot. It's very hot. Very, very hot.
Since the fort is located on an island, one needs to take a boat to reach there. And the queue to get a ticket to the boat, it took us almost an hour. Well roasted in the hot sun. So if you intend to visit this fort, it will be recommended to reach at least by 7 a.m. That way you can beat the sun as well as the crowd. After that long wait in the sun, it's now Finally, time to get onto the boat. It's just a 15 minutes boat ride, and while on board, the boat operator briefs you on the facts and history of this magnificent fort.
टोटल 22 साल लग गए। 22 साल में ये 22 एकड़ का किला पानी के बीच कैसे बनाया। ये समंदर के पानी में जब लो टाइड होने का ओटी ये तटबंदी का बांधकाम करता था पानी रोकने के लिए, और हाई टाइड होने का भर्ती तो किले के अंदर साइड का बांधकाम करने का। ऐसा 22 साल में ये 22 एकड़ में किले को बना।
As one gets closer, the greatness and valor of this fort gets pretty evident. Welcome to Murud Janjira Fort. But as we got closer to the entrance, we were in for another surprise. Was asked to wait in the boat as the entrance was blocked by people trying to exit, which was told to be a common phenomenon.
Money, how long we'll have to wait?
We might have to wait for
खाली
another.
आओ ना तो भर के जाता है।
Another?
अभी खाली रहेगा बाद में भरेगा।
In the hot sun. Let's wait.
After about 20 minutes of wait and cutting through the crazy crowd, we made our way inside. You're given 45 minutes to cover the entire fort and return back to the boat. Inside the fort, you can see 3 ancient cannons, strong walls, ruins of a mosque, and 2 mysterious wells that provide sweet water even today.
This is fresh water,
This is
right?
fresh water, right in the middle of the sea.
Wow, that's something
They were
very.
digging for stones to make this fort, and they found water springs from the earth.
In the middle of the sea.
Fish tank, yeah. See, a lot of fishes are there.
You found another shell? Where? Where?
One needs to climb about 125 steps to make it to the viewing tower, and the view from there is splendid. However, how about we go a little above the viewing tower?
One man.
The return journey again was quite an hassle, with lots of crowd jostling at the embankment area, which could also be quite slippery. To summarize, we'd say Murud Janjira Fort was actually a mixed experience, which could have been better by keeping certain things in mind. Reach by 7 a.m. or at the earliest. Wear comfortable shoes. Carry a hat and plenty of water. Proceeding to the last lap of our journey, a cruise trip all the way to Mumbai. M2M is an upgraded ferry service which allows you to take your vehicle across the sea between Mumbai and Mandwa and vice versa in just 1 hour.
We almost reached in time. It was a big suspense for us whether we'll make it or not, whether we miss our ship, but somehow we made it. Well, let's go ahead and enjoy the cruise.
There are 3 types of tickets available with access to different decks. We opted for the Skoda Octavia seating. Let's check out the indoor AC lounge, which is accessible to all passengers. There is also a little cafe inside this lounge. The views and the cold breeze, they surely are one of a kind experience. With that, we conclude our weekend getaway onto the other side of the horizon, back to our lovely home, Mumbai.